Physics MCQ Part 3. Please watch the video till the end. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for getting the notification. Which scientist gave black hole theory? A. Albert Einstein. B. Stephen Hawking. C. Isaac Newton. D. None of the above. Correct option is Stephen Hawking. Which kind of wave is used in sonar? A. Infrasonic. B. Ultrasonic. C. Radio. D. Audible sound. Correct option is ultrasonic. Which one of the following ray has minimum wavelength? A. Gamma ray. B. Cosmic ray. C. Ultraviolet ray. D. X-ray. Correct option is gamma ray. According to the quantum theory of light, the energy of light is carried in discrete units are called A. Photoelectrons. B. Protons. C. Electrons. D. Photons. Correct option is protons. The energy of a photon varies directly with which of the followings? A. Wavelength. B. Frequency. C. Speed. D. All the above. Correct option is frequency. What is the unit of intensity of electric field? A. N by C. B. N by M. C. J by C. D. Volt. Correct option is N by C. Which physicist is the writer of the book A Brief History of Time? A. Isaac Newton. B. Hans Bethe. C. Albert Einstein. D. Stephen Hawking. Correct option is Stephen Hawking. What is the gravity of Moon as compared to the Earth? A. 1 by 4th of Earth. B. 1 by 5th of Earth. C. 1 by 6th of Earth. D. 1 by 8th of Earth. Correct option is 1 by 6th of Earth. Who is known as the father of quantum theory? A. Albert Einstein. B. Max Planck. C. Werner Heisenberg. D. Ernest Rutherford. Correct option is Max Planck. Who discovered X-ray? A. Marie Curie. B. Pierre Curie. C. Wilhelm Röntgen. D. Ernest Rutherford. Correct option is Wilhelm Röntgen. Thanks for watching the video.